In this lesson, we're going to look again at adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So let's look at this first example. We've got 6 over x take away 3 over 2x. Now, there's actually two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you the way we've been doing before first. So you can get a common denominator of x times 2x, which gives you 2x squared. That's one way to do it. So how did we get the 2x squared in the bottom? Well, we times the across by 2x here, so do the same to the top, diagonally up. So you get 12 over 2x squared. And go across the other way, x times 2x gives you 2x squared. So diagonally up, x times 3 gives you 3x. Now you don't need to put this middle line in, you're working. You can just fill in the top. I've just done it here to show you what the common denominator is, but you can jump straight from that to this line here. Okay, now we've got a common denominator. You can actually just do the 12x take away the 3x to get 9x over 2x squared. And then what you have to do here is you have to cancel down, so you have to divide top by x and the bottom by x, which leaves you with 9 over 2x squared. Now what you can do here is you can get a better or an easier common denominator. It doesn't give you a different answer, it just gets you there a wee bit quicker. That's what I'm just going to do just now. So if we look at the common denominator, we didn't actually have to multiply the bottom two to get a common denominator. I'm going to have to write this one up. What you could actually do here is just look for the 2x and make this into 2x on this side. So your common denominator could have been that. This makes it a lot quicker. Again, you don't need to do this. Sometimes easier though. So we've got a common denominator of 2x here. Well, how did we get 2x on this side? We doubled the bottom, so do the same to the top. Okay, so then just do 12 take away 3 and you get 9 over 2x, and that was the same answer as last time. Much quicker way of getting there. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Try and get a common denominator, m over 2 take away v over 3. So do 2 times 3 to get your common denominator. That's going to be 6. How do we get 6? We times the cross by the 3, so do the same to the top. So it's going to be 3m over 6. How do you get the 6 on the other side? You times the cross by the 2, diagonally the same to the top. So it's going to be a take away 2v over 6. Final answer, bring it all together on the top, so 3m take away 2v all over 6.